Come, the mnemonic is here. Come take gas. Come take gas. Come take gas. C codes for cysteine, T codes for threonine, and G codes for glutamine, and A codes for asparagine, and S codes for serine. Okay. A very warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Nothing Say Everything. Today I am going to give you mnemonics or tricks to learn all the standard amino acids. So I am requesting to all of you, don't skip this video, and you will be able to learn all the amino acids in a single video, 10 to 15 minutes. You have to focus on this video and you will be able to learn all the standard amino acids according to their characteristics. Either they are polar, they are charged, uncharged, negatively charged, positively charged, basic, acidic, etc., etc. Okay, so don't distract yourself when we see a lots of amino acids in the chapter biomolecule or biochemistry. We become feared. We feel nervousness. How we can learn all the amino acids according to their characteristics? This is impossible. But today I am promising you will be able to learn all the amino acids. So focus on this video. Hydrophobic amino acids. Hydrophobic amino acids, those amino acids which hate water, means they do not interact with water. They do not interact with water. Means hydro means water and phobic means fear. Phobic means fear. It means amino acids are fearing from water. It means they are not interacting with water. So we called it hydrophobic amino acid. Means they are water haters or non-polar. They are non-polar or water hater. Two categories we find: aliphatic and aromatic. Those amino acids which have alkyl side chain called aliphatic, and those amino acids which have aromatic side chain, they are called aromatic amino acid. Okay. And these are the some points which you should know. After that I will tell you all the mnemonics. Okay. Hydrophilic or water loving. Hydrophilic, hydro means water and philic means attraction. Attraction means love. Love means you know well about that. Who don't know about love? Every person want to love, either a girl, either a mother, or a family person, or a sister or boy, anything. Okay. So hydro means water and philic means love. Means these amino acids are water loving. They interact with water. Hydrophobic do not interact with water, and hydrophilic interact with water. And there are different categories: basic or positively charged. Those amino acids which have positive charge, they are actually basic, and those amino acids which are basic, they are actually positively charged. You know well about that. Those amino acids which are acidic, they have negatively charged. They are negatively charged. Okay. Polar or neutral or uncharged amino acids or other categories: alcoholic amino acid, amide amino acid, sulfur containing amino acids, and essential amino acids. Let's come to the first point: hydrophobic amino acids. Look at this. Hydrophobic amino acids means, first of all, aliphatic, alkyl side chain. It means aliphatic amino acids have alkyl side chain. So come to the point. This is the first mnemonic. Phobia of vamp girl. Phobia of vamp girl. Okay, you are looking at this point. Phobia means fear. Phobia means fear, and vamp is a place where this girl is captured. Means there is nobody. Means she is fearing, as just like this is just like a disease. Phobia is just like a disease, like an anxiety, depression. Okay, means fear of a captured girl. Means captured means packed girl. You can say packed girl. Means phobia of vamp girl. Means vamp girl. Vamp means the area which is covered from all the directions. Phobia means fear. Phobia means fear. If you understand it, then you can learn it very easily. So I am explaining it. Okay. If you know the meaning of these words, then you may be able to learn very easily. Okay. So don't distract yourself. Vamp. V stand for valine, A for alanine, M for methionine, P for proline. And girl, G for glycine, I for isoleucine, and R is no amino acid. Okay. And L is leucine. Phobia of vamp girl means valine, alanine, methionine, proline, glycine, isoleucine isoleucine and leucine. R is absent, means R is no amino acid. Okay, if you are Indian, you know Hindi, then you can learn with this tricks also. हैदराबाद में अली VIP MLA जी से मिला. हैदराबाद में अली, I am Ali, and VIP MLA, you know well about MLAs, member of legislative assemblies. Okay, VIP very important person. VIP MLA जी से मिला. हैदराबाद में अली VIP MLA जी से मिला. हैदराबाद कोड्स फॉर हाइड्रोफोबिक. Here you can also see that phobia codes for hydrophobic. If you have learned phobia of Weigel, then you can directly learn that these amino acids are hydrophobic, means phobia codes for hydrophobic. And here the second mnemonics for same thing. हैदराबाद में अली VIP MLA जी से मिला. हैदराबाद codes for hydrophobic and may is nothing and Ali is nothing, and VIP MLA जी से V for valine, isoleucine, proline, M for methionine, and L for leucine, and A for alanine, and G for glycine. You can learn by this mnemonic also. If you are Indian, then you can learn it easily. Okay, anyone can learn, but those person who knows Hindi, they can learn easily. Okay, come to the next point. Hydrophobic. This is also hydrophobic, this is also hydrophobic. Here is aliphatic, here is aromatic. Aliphatic and aromatic, you can see aliphatic, aromatic. So hydrophobic, aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids means, aromatic amino acids are those amino acids which have ring like structure, means like this, ring like structure, as like benzene. Okay, so aroma of pine and timber trees. Pine is a plant, you can see here, and aroma means smell, of pine and timber trees. You can learn it. Aroma of pine and timber trees. I am explaining to learn very easily. Okay, don't distract yourself. Mnemonic is aroma of pine and timber trees. P for phenylalanine. Aroma codes for aromatic. P codes for phenylalanine, and T codes for tyrosine, and second T codes for tryptophan. But tyrosine is exceptional here. Okay, tyrosine is exceptional because sometimes it's considered as hydrophilic amino acids. Sometimes tyrosine considered as hydrophilic because this is polar. Their side chain is polar. Come to the next point. Hydrophilic. Hydro means water, philic means loving. Water loving amino acids, positively charged or basic. Last Action Hero movie. You can see Last Action Hero movie. This was a movie which was released in about 1900 something. Vagara. Last Action Hero movie had a positive message. Last Action movie had a positive message, means positive denotes for positively charged amino acids. And Last Action Hero, L codes for lysine, A codes for arginine, and H codes for codes for histidine. I hope you may be able to learn all these mnemonics or ticks. Okay, and come to the hydrophilic amino acids, negatively charged or acidic. Positively charged or basic, negatively charged or acidic. Okay, glucontain acid. You know glue are acidic, their pH is less than 7, about 5 point something. So glucontain acid codes for acidic amino acid, and A codes for aspartate, and G codes for glutamate. Glucontain acid codes for acidic amino acid, and G codes for glutamate, and A codes for aspartate. And you come to this direction. Okay, this direction. Hydrophilic amino acids, uncharged, neutral or polar. Those amino acids which are uncharged, they are polar amino acids. Okay, they are polar. Chem, the mnemonic is here. come take guess. Come take guess. Come take guess. C codes for cysteine, T codes for threonine, and G codes for glutamine, and A codes for asparagine, and S codes for serine. Okay, come take guess. Polar हैं, these are polar. You should focus. Okay, and come to this direction. Okay, alcoholic amino acid. Actually, we have learned in those parts. Okay, but if question is directly coming in the exam, that select which of the following is alcoholic amino acid. If you have learned by a trick, then directly you can tick on the right option. Okay, so alcoholic amino acids are those amino acids which have OH group, alcohol group. समझ रहे हो? Are you getting my point? Alcoholic amino acids are here. Alcohol tasted sour. Look at this. Means you know well about that. Alcohol tastes sour. Means T codes for threonine and S codes for serine. You can also see this in polar or uncharged amino acids. Okay, means serine and threonine. Serine and threonine. You can see also here threonine and serine. It means they have alcohol group. So we also study these amino acids in alcoholic amino acids because they have alcoholic group. And amide amino acids, I was forgotten to written, so I have written it very minute in very small words. Amide amino acids come to this point. Glue contains acid. The hydrophilic amino acids negatively charged, mnemonic is same here. Okay, for amide amino acids mnemonic or trick is same as that hydrophilic, but difference is there. Here is glutamate, ATE8. Here is ATE8. It is not writing, so we have to change the marker. Okay, you can see glutamine. Here is glutamine in and asparagine. Here is glutamine and asparagine. Here is glutamate and aspartate. Okay, so amide, here is amide group. You are getting my point? So sulfur containing amino acid, SCM, supply chain management. SCM means cysteine and methionine. You can see this, cysteine and methionine. S codes for sulfur, here alcohol codes for alcoholic and tasted sour, threonine and serine. Here SCM means S codes for sulfur containing amino acids, and C codes for cysteine, and M codes for methionine. These are the all amino acids, and essential amino acids are remaining. There are 10 essential amino acids which I will make a separate video. Just 1 minute you can watch that, because here is no any place remaining where I can write. So there are some points which you have learned. All acidic and basic amino acids are charged amino acids. All basic and acidic, you can see acidic and basic amino acids are charged, because if the amino acid is basic, then the amino acid have positive charge, and the amino acid which are acidic, they have negative charge. Okay, so all hydrophobic amino acids are non-polar except tyrosine. You can see this, except tyrosine, all hydrophobic amino acids are non-polar. And third point is all uncharged neutral hydrophilic and tyrosine are polar. Means all uncharged, where is all uncharged neutral polar, means these are polar. All uncharged or neutral amino acids are polar, as well tyrosine. All uncharged and tyrosine are polar amino acids. This is whole mnemonics or tricks by which you can learn very easily all the amino acids. So lots of thanks for watching my video.